ASUS router VPN not connecting. Firewall rule adjustment. Step 1. Accessing your router settings. To begin, you need to access your ASUS router's web interface. Open a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge and type http router.asus.com or your router's IP address into the address bar. Press enter. You will then be prompted to log in with your router's username and password. Step 2. Navigating to the firewall section. Once logged in, you'll see the router's main dashboard. Look for the navigation menu on the left side. Under the Advanced Settings section, find and click on Firewall. This will take you to the firewall configuration page where you can manage rules. Step 3. Disabling the firewall temporarily for testing. A quick way to test if your firewall is blocking the VPN is to temporarily disable it. On the firewall page, find the option Enable Firewall and set it to No. Click the Apply or Save button at the bottom of the page. After applying, try connecting to your VPN. If it connects, you know the firewall was the culprit. Remember to re-enable your firewall after testing for security. Step 4. Enabling VPN pass-through. While you're in the firewall section, many ASUS routers have a VPN pass-through or VPN pass-through option, usually under the General or VPN tab within the firewall settings. Ensure that options for PPTP, L2P, and IPsec pass-through are set to Yes or Enable. These settings allow VPN traffic to pass through the router's firewall without being blocked. Don't forget to click Apply after making changes. Step 5. Adding custom firewall rules. If temporarily disabling the firewall or enabling VPN pass-through doesn't work, you might need to add specific firewall rules. This is usually found under Firewall, General, or a dedicated port forwarding section. You'll need to know the specific ports your VPN uses. Create new rules to allow inbound and outbound traffic on these ports. Select Allow, specify the port, choose the protocol, and apply the rule. Remember to always save your changes by clicking Apply or Save after each adjustment.